Hello, quick introduction to the video. My name is Cameron. I am a graduate apprentice software engineer currently studying at Glasgow University, and I'm using this video as a way to sort of rubber ducky debug a LeetCode problem, just attempt to solve it, talk through my thought process, and hopefully it's useful to someone on here. So the problem I'm going to be attempting today is 1748, sum of unique elements. So I'm just going to read out the spec here. You're given an integer array called nums. The unique elements of the array are the elements that appear exactly once in the array. Return the sum of all the unique elements of nums. So 1, 2, 3, 2, the output's can be 4 because 2 is duplicated, so that's not going to be included. But 1 and 3 are unique, so that is going to be removed. Yeah, so it's just going to be 1 and 3, 1 plus 3 is 4. Okay. Okay, so I'm just going to go into my notes now, start coming up with ideas. So I think we're going to have have a list of the numbers, okay, look through nums. If nums does not exist in output, or we're going to say in new list. We're going to have another list. So create a new list. If num does not exist in new list, add it. If it does, if it does exist, remove it and add it to we're gonna have another list called non-unique, called unique. It's not in unique yet, and not in non_unique. Add it. If it does exist, remove it and add it to non-unique. And then we're gonna return the sum of unique list. Okay, let's try this. So, unique, and we've got non_unique. For num and nums, if num is not in unique and num is not in non_unique, then unique dot append num. If it does exist, remove it. So then we've got another. So if num is in unique, and not in non underscore unique. Or we're just going to say if it's in unique, non underscore unique dot append num, then return the sum of unique. Let's try this. Invalid syntax. We don't need the is. That's not proper syntax. Okay, here as well. I got 6 here. Oh, I didn't remove. So if it's not in unique, I don't remove it. That's what I do. I don't remove it from unique. That should work now. So check if num not in, if it's not in the non-unique yet, append it to unique. Otherwise, remove it from unique and add it to the non-unique list as well. Just looks like it's totaling the whole list. Okay. If num is not in non-unique, so if it's not appeared before, append it to unique and append it to here. Append it to non-unique. Okay. Otherwise it should try and remove it. We can actually just say elif num in unique. If the num is in unique, remove it from unique. Okay, accepted. We're gonna hit submit and hopefully accepted. Thank you very much for watching the video. Hope it was useful to you in some way, shape or form. If it was, please let me know. And if there was maybe some other solution to this problem that was a bit more efficient or just different, please let me know. I love discussing these things. And yeah, thank you once again for watching and I hope you have a great day.